Hello my dear kids, welcome back to the EVS class. In previous class, we have done chapter 5 Good Habits. And our today's topic is chapter 6 Plant Life. We will also do chapter 6 New Words in our notebook. And your practice work is you have to do new words in your notebook in a proper format and season worksheet 1 and 2. And in next class, we will complete our chapter 6 book exercise. So be ready with your book and pencil. Today's topic is Plant Life. Chapter 6 Plant Life. Our world is full of beautiful plants. Some are big. See? Some are big. Some are small. Some are tall. And some are too short. The plants differ in size, shape and color. Means हमारे आसपास जो बहुत से प्लांट्स हैं ना, वो सारे डिफरेंट होते हैं. कुछ बड़े होते हैं, कुछ छोटे होते हैं, किनकी शेप डिफरेंट होती है, किनका कलर डिफरेंट होता है. Kinds of plants. Plants are of different kinds. They are of different size and shapes. Big and tall plants are called trees. Like, see, this is tree. It's a big and tall. Some plants are small, and small plants may be shrubs or herbs. Clear? Shrubs means plant, small plant with woody stem are called shrubs, like rose. And small plants with soft stem are called herbs. See, it's a herb. Most trees and plants grow on land, but some plants grow only in water, like lotus and water lily. It's a water plant. Most plants are green, but some are of different colors. Plants are living things, like animals. They also grow. They also need food. They need water and light to grow. Most seeds grow into plants. Most plants and trees grow from seeds. Uses of plants. Plants are very useful to people and animals. They help us in many ways. They give us food, shade and shelter. Food like milk and all that. Shelter. See. Plants gives us many things that we need in everyday life. Food, clothing, paper, furniture such as a chair, table, coats and so on. Plants make our earth green and clean. We must take care of plants and trees. We should not cut them down. We must plant more trees in our gardens, parks and along roadsides. So first, you have to highlight all the words like trees, shrubs, herbs, land, water. Clear? Big and tall plants are called trees. They have strong stem. Look, the stem of a tree is called trunk. See, this is trunk. It's very strong. And most trees have branches. They live for many years. Trees gives us fruits, food, shade and furniture and lots of things. See? See, shrubs are small plant. They are not as big as tree. Shrubs live for many years, but they do not live as long as trees. Their stems are hard. They do not bend easily. The kids, it's a basil, tulsi. Herbs are very small plant with very soft stem. They are smaller than shrubs. Okay, they grow in a garden. We use different kind of herbs in cooking and for making medicine. Herbs are also used for making perfumes. Herbs do not have woody stem. Their stem are soft, small and weak. Basil plant is a herb. Kids, now I am showing you different kind of plants. In my garden, I have some plants. So you all are ready? See, this is people leaf. This is aloe vera. It's good for our skin. Most plants are green, but some are of different color. See, white and green mix. There are many type of leaves. See, it's too small and it's too big. Yellow and dark green color. One more leaf is here. See, like a star. Now it's too long leaf. Straight and long. Wow, what a beautiful plant it is. So colorful. And this is big heart-shaped leaf. This is shrub. It has also big leaf. See the beautiful color. Its stem is also colorful. See, it's a long green beautiful leaf. This is, yes, banana tree. Its leaf is very large. See this big green leaf. Is climber. Climber also have weak stem. They cannot stand by themselves. Means इनको grow करने के लिए किसी support की ज़रूरत होती है. And see, this is bottle gourd. Means Loki. Nowadays, it's growing. And you know benefits of drinking bottle gourd juice? Will cool your body and helps in our weight loss. You should also take care of the plants. Open your EVS notebook, new page, put today's date. In first line, write chapter 6, plant life. In second line, new words and here practice work. Your first word is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. T-R-E-E, tree. Shrub, S-H-R-U-B, shrub. Fourth word is herb, H-E-R-B, herb. Shade, S-H-A-D-E, shade. Furniture, F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture. Paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper. And last word is grow, G-R-O-W, grow. And now I am showing you my practice work. See, I am writing here beautiful only one time because I don't have lots of space here. And in second line I have lots of space, so I am writing here tree 1 2 3 4 5 times. Clear, kids?